Now what I want, whenever I click on this button, I just want to reduce the pizza base by 1, as well as I have to reduce the burger buns by 1. So for that, we should be getting access to dispatch function. So again, for that, we are having hook available inside React Redux. So here, I'm just going to write useDispatch. I will separate by comma, and inside this, I will be writing useDispatch. So basically, what this hook will be doing, this hook is going to give reference to the dispatch function which is present inside our Redux store. So here below this, I'm just going to call this useDispatch, and this hook is going to return reference to dispatch function. So directly, I don't have to pass any arguments. That reference I'm just going to store inside this variable dispatch. You can give any name, but this is the convention we follow. Here I will be writing log, and then I will write dispatch. I will inspect. Now you can see I am having access to my dispatch function. Now as soon as I click on this, I am redirected to this dispatch. Again I will show you. As soon as I click on this, I am redirected to this dispatch. So using this hook, we get reference to dispatch function. Now what I have to do, whenever I click on this button, I have to dispatch this pizza order action. I'm just going to write on click event handler. Then inside this, I will be passing this as a value. Here I will write dispatch, and my action is nothing but pizza order. As soon as I select this, pizza order is imported from pizza slice. You can see pizza order is imported from pizza slice. So what I am doing, as soon as I dispatch this action, I am just reducing the pizza base by 1. So entire logic is already present inside this create slice. Now I'll come here, click on this, you can see successfully I am able to reduce this number of pizza base. Now if you see, number of burger buns is also getting reduced by 1, because whenever we are ordering pizza, you can see pizza ordered, we are just decreasing the burger buns by 1. Okay, this is the scenario we have understood. Whenever customer is ordering pizza, they are getting burger for free. So that entire logic we have written inside this extra reducer. So that is the reason whenever I click on this order pizza, both pizza base and burger buns is getting reduced by 1. Now same thing I'm just going to do for burger view. First thing, I'm just going to import useDispatch. Below this, I will be creating one variable dispatch. And for this, I'm just going to assign this useDispatch. Now whenever I click on this, I just have to reduce the burger buns by 1. Inside this, I will be passing as a value dispatch. Then here I will write, let me come to burger slice. I will copy this burger order, and here I will be writing burger order. As soon as I hit enter, burger order is imported from burger slice. So as soon as I dispatch this action, what I am doing, I am just reducing the burger buns by 1. Now here, if I click on this, you can see only burger buns is getting reduced by 1. My pizza base remains same. Again I will click, you can see successfully I am able to reduce the burger buns by 1. But if I order pizza, both pizza base and burger buns will be reduced by 1, because that logic we have written inside this extra reducer. If I come in this, come here, now you can see whenever I click on this, only pizza base will be reduced by 1. So that is the reason we have made use of extra reducer. Whenever you want your slice to respond to other actions, you will be using extra reducers. So now successfully we have got access to the state, as well as we are able to dispatch the action and reduce the pizza and burger in our application.